So we're going to continue to kind of adapt the starter script by the next step is going to be adjusting the ingredients a little bit. But the scale and offset we want to keep and the cloud mask we want to keep. It's this section here that we want to adjust a little bit. So we're using the Sentinel-2 surface reflectance harmonized data set. And first thing I'm going to do is I want to filter it based on the AOI rather than the geometry. And then what I'd like to do is bring in this calendar year, and I do want 2020. And then I want to change the months so that we're just looking at September rather than the spring. We just want to look at September, which is basically the month after the fires. The fires happened in the middle of August and went for a couple of weeks in August. They were likely still burning. They weren't, I don't think they were under containment until September, but we can start getting images of the burn scars at this point. I'm going to take off this because I'd rather rely on our masks to kind of collect the usable pixels and not worry so much about this. And then that's all good. The last thing I think I'm going to add here is that I'd like to clip this thing by our area of interest. And that should give us a circle. So let me hit run here and see what that gives us. Yep, there's our circle. And so I'm gonna, I think, have to zoom in a little bit more here. What do I have our zoom set at? Yeah, let's go in so that we're at the zoom level of about 11. And there's our circle coming in. Let me just check to see if yeah, I was at 100 and something. So you can see we're missing a few pixels, um, right? And because you can see the kind of a little bit of some of the underlying map. If I went over here, they'd probably go away. But when I'm here, you can see some of the pixels that we're missing, probably because of our mask. And let me just double check here. Oop. But I think this looks pretty good. Let me look. We've got that, and I'm just looking at my notes. And I think I'm going to go with this for now. And and then hit save and keep moving on. Let's work on the display next.